What's up, guys? Got some main lines. It's okay. These I've been wanting to get for a while because the infamous little supposed error, which is not an error, obviously, it's just a variation. Because some people can't tell the difference. Well, honestly, if I was new to collecting, I would probably mistake. I'd be like, "Yo, it's an error," but very cool variation. I feel like it's just a tactic to save more money because hey, less parts equals more money saving. I honestly, this is very smart of Hot Wheels. I'll be honest. It's a very good profiting, thing because like you just make one with no roofing and that's it. But there's also a cat inside this model, so let's just get to opening these. I think the first one I got was with the roof. Then after I found this one at the car show because I wanted both. So yes, crack it open. Oh man, I just wanna look at this because they also made another color of this in green, which is some exclusive, I think. Oh my god, that is so nice. Ew, it's like there's like some pubes on the front of it. I don't know if y'all can see that, but looks like someone was quite hairy. So very nice casting. It's just very cool to look at and very cool to hold. Remember when I first saw this casting, I'm like, holy shit, is that a Prius? And I was like, yeah, it is. And just very nice wheels, too. I think these are Silver Series wheels, actually. I don't know. Very cool white color. I do like the front. Kind of looks like some spaceship or something. No tampons on the back, but that is completely fine. I don't really care about that, honestly. I really do like this roof rack. I'm going to try to find this cat. I think it's like somewhere in the back. You can't see it, obviously, but very detailed casting. I think Ron Wong designed this. I don't know. I could be wrong. Ooh, really like this side livery. Pretty simple. I love plain cars. Just my favorite. Just such a nice casting to hold. Very cool as well. Just a little spin. A little drive test. Ooh, such a nice casting. Let's get a little spin. Oh shit. Yo, I'm like playing Jenga with this thing. Oh, you can kind of see the Prius badging on the back of the cars. Give it a moment. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna. Boom. That's pretty cool. Wish they put more money into this casting, and I don't know, Hot Wheels, they're very weird. It's like some of they do good on some of the main lines and they don't. I know it's kind of to say, I know main lines are just toys, but if you're gonna make the badging, you might as well just put the logo at least. It would have looked so cool. But enough of that. Just put this right there. Boom, let's open up the other variation. I'm gonna stop talking. Honestly, I like making these long-term, I like to making these longer videos. I'm gonna be honest, I actually don't like making those videos, other videos before. I just like, it's just me. Just me. Ooh, I love this one. I love this one. Dude, look at that. I don't know. I don't know which one I like more, but both are pretty sweet. If I had to pick one, maybe this one. This one's nice, but it just looks kind of naked without the thing on top. It just looks kind of kind of silly. It looks kind of underwhelming without it. It's like it's when your friend takes her glasses off. Kind of what it reminds me of. Still pretty sick model. Still, I have nothing really to say. I really do like the grooves on the roof. It feels very nice. Very cool castings. Oh, no pubes. Thank God. Would I hire more Indian people? Well, I'm not racist, but whatever. Little lip. Pretty sick. It kind of looks like a Camry. The thing with Hot Wheels is that they can't really just make a boring car like Matchbox, for example. And I haven't actually gotten a Matchbox side of Prius. I don't know why I haven't. They're in stores, but I just kind of don't really care about this castings really too much because I do like Matchbox more, but every once in a while Hot Wheels does make something good. And when I was looking at this casting, it really reminded me of this Kaido house. Is this the R34? I really can't tell. Yeah, it is. It reminded me of the wheels on this one. Look kind of like these. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm talking about, but it just kept on looking over there and I was thinking like, huh, you know what? That's pretty similar to something. So I feel like I wonder if this model was worked on by any of the Kaido House employees, but still, very, very sick casting. I do love it. Here are the cards, and anyways, guys, I guess I'll see you later. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm gonna be opening more cards because I am bored. But anyways, guys, yep. Have a lovely day, and bye. Show the ass. Oh, there we go.